Sa Jisan Cargo, ganito sila mag-pick up ng cargo. For free lang talaga yan. Tapos, pag maramihan, lalo na pagka ano, yan very nice. From a long time, I am a customer from like 15 years. 15 years I am here. I always this one extra large. See the Jisan company how it is taking care. See? They are different than cargo. They taking care of the things, the stuff. See? Yung tubig hindi sila makaano. 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 5. Nice. Oh, how? Ilalagyan pa nila ng ganyan. I'm vlogging for the Jisan Cargo. For free. Especially the cash pick up. If you let them pick up and cash. Tanawa. Oh. Biskin pag ibula-bula na nimo. Kana mahal man na imo ng palitunlin. Kaswerte gani nimo kay dili sa mga tubang ng ana. Piyaw kaayo look. Jisan Cargo is different than other cargos. Asa ka ngita ana?
Dalan ko kay
grabe. Dili oy. See, it's just free. Nice. Dili by number lin sapat na. Kabalo naman sila anak. Handle with care. Handle with care. As and there's broken things. Butang isulatilin. Dapita diha. All nyate. Piglas umadris yun. Oh, see? Oh my God. See how they taking care of the cargo, the OFW stock.